ExpressVPN, how to buy, install and use ExpressVPN for beginners. Now ExpressVPN is one of the top VPNs out there in the market, even at the cost of no cost, right? So even on the free version it works perfectly just fine. Now if you're using a browser, you can always install it as an extension. If you're using it on mobile phone, you can install it as an app. Either way, I want you to simply go to expressvpn.com and then just click on the get ExpressVPN option. Now if you want to actually go ahead and then use a premium plan, that's perfectly fine. You can create a premium plan of 1 month, 12 months or 6 months, depending on what is it you prefer. Just enter the email address that you'd like to subscribe to ExpressVPN from, and here you can just select your preferred payment method like credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin or other. So right here you can simply enter your credit card details, whatever it is, and enter your card number and then click on the join now option. As soon as you've done that, you'd have successfully added ExpressVPN. Now what you can do is you can also install it as an extension after you've done that, right? So once you're on this page, you can see all of these options. You can say download VPN, you can see Chrome VPN extension. Now you can also choose as an app because there is an app available, but if you only use it relatively on browser, you can select Chrome VPN extension right here and then just tap on download VPN extension. It will take you to Chrome web store right here. Click on add to Chrome and then you'll be able to install it. So once you click on the add to Chrome option and then click on add extension right here. Now if you already log in your account, that's perfectly fine. Now you can just tap on this little icon there. You can see ExpressVPN will actually show up here. It might take some time to show up, so tap on this and select ExpressVPN right here and pin them. Now to begin using it, just click on the ExpressVPN option, click on continue stuff. If you have an account, log in again as I mentioned. Otherwise you can just go ahead and connect to any of these. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.